হেই এভরিওয়ান, ওয়েলকাম মাই ইউটিউব চ্যানেল। তো ভিডিও স্টার্ট করার আগে আপনাদের কাছে আমার একটি অনুরোধ রয়েছে যে প্লিজ আমার ভিডিওতে একটি লাইক করে যাবেন, যাতে পরবর্তীকালে আমি আরও ভিডিও বানানোর মোটিভেশন পাই। তো চলো স্টার্ট করি কোয়েশ্চেন নাম্বার 1 থেকে। কোয়েশ্চেন নাম্বার 1 ইজ হুইচ অফ দিস ব্লাড সেলস হেল্প ইন ক্লটিং? অপশন এ ইজ রেড ব্লাড সেল, বি ইজ হোয়াইট ব্লাড সেল, সি ইজ প্লেটলেটস অ্যান্ড ডি প্লাজমা। Here, correct option is option C, platelets. Question number 2 is resolution of human eye is option A is 1080 megapixel, option B is 720 megapixel, option C is 576 megapixel and D is 570 megapixel. Here, correct option is option C, 576 megapixel. Question number 3 is in eye donation, which one of the following part of donor's eye is utilized? Option A is iris, B is lens, C is cornea and D is retina. Here correct option is option C, cornea. Question number 4 is what is the basic unit of heredity? Here option A is chromosome, option B is gene, option C is DNA and D is cell. Here correct option is option B, gene. Question number 5, what is the powerhouse of the cell? Option A is mitochondria, B is ribosome, C is nucleolus and D Golgi apparatus. Here correct option is option A, mitochondria. Question number 6 is which vitamin is known as the sunshine vitamin? Option A is vitamin A, option B is vitamin B, option C is vitamin C and option D is vitamin D. Here correct option is option D, vitamin D. Question number 7 is which blood group is universal donor? Option A is O negative, option B is O positive, option C is AB positive and option D is AB negative. Here correct option is option A, O negative. Question number 8 is which blood group is called the universal acceptor? Option A is A, option B is O negative, option C is AB positive, option D is O positive. Here correct option is option C, AB positive. Question number 9 is which organ produce insulin? Option A is liver, option B is pancreas, option C is intestine and D is spleen. Here correct option is option B, pancreas. Question number 10 is myopia is a human eye disorder that can be corrected by using the lens. Option A is convex lens, option B is concave lens, C is cylindrical lens and D is medicine. Here correct option is option B, concave lens. Question number 11 is which part of the plant is mainly responsible for photosynthesis? Option A is roots, B leaves, option C stem and D is flower. Here correct option is option B, leaves. Question number 12 is what is the normal pH level of human blood? Option A is 5.5, option B is 6.5, option C is 7.4 and D 8.2. Here correct option is option C, 7.4. Question number 13 is what is the main functions of the kidney? Option A is urination, option B is respiration, C is circulation and D is filtration of blood. Here correct option is option D, filtration of blood. Question number 14 is glaucoma is a disease of A ear, B liver, C pancreas, D eye. Here correct option is option D, eye. Question number 15, the largest bone in the human body is option A is femur, option B is humerus, option C is tibia and D skull. Here correct option is option A, femur. Question number 16 is smallest bone in human body is option A is incus, option B is vomer, option C is stapes and D teeth. Here correct option is option C, stapes or stirrup. Question number 17 is which organ system includes the skin? Here option A is digestive system, option B is respiratory system, option C is integumentary system and D is circulatory system. Here correct option is option C, integumentary system. Question number 18 is which hormone is released during stress? Option A is estrogen, B cortisol, C insulin, D testosterone. Here correct option is option B cortisol. Question number 19 is blood is transported away from the heart by option A is vein, B is capillaries, C is artery and D plasma. Here correct option is option C arteries. Question number 20 is which gas is waste product of cellular respiration? Option A is oxygen, option B is hydrogen, option C is nitrogen and D is carbon dioxide. Here correct option is option D carbon dioxide. Question number 21 is what is the smallest unit of life? Option A is atom, B cell, C organ and D organism. Here correct option is option B cell. Question number 22 is the purpose of rib cage to protect. Option A is stomach, B spinal cord, C heart and lungs and D is all of the above. Here correct option is option C heart and lungs. Question number 23 is tendon and ligaments are. Option A is muscular tissue, B is connective tissue, C is skeletal tissue and D is fibrous connective tissue. Here correct option is option D fibrous connective tissue. Question number 24 is what is the functions of antibodies? Option A is carry oxygen, option B is digest protein, option C is fight infection and D is produce enzyme. Here correct option is option C fight infection. Question number 25 which organ is primarily responsible for detoxifying chemicals in the body? Option A is heart, option B is lungs, C is kidney and D liver. Here correct option is option D liver. Question number 26 what pigment give plant their green color? Option A is melanin, option B is keratin, C is chlorophyll and D is carotene. Here correct option is option C chlorophyll. Question number 27 is which of these a fat soluble vitamin? Option A is vitamin B, option B is vitamin C, option C is vitamin D and option D is vitamin H. Here correct option is option C vitamin D. Question number 28 is what enzyme is in saliva break down starches? Here option A is pepsin, option B is amylase, option C is lipase and option D is maltase. Here correct option is option B amylase. Question number 29 is which part of the human brain control breathing? Option A is cerebrum, option B is cerebellum, option C is medulla oblongata and D is hypothalamus. Here correct option is option C medulla oblongata. Question number 30 is which cell in the body are primarily responsible for immunity? Option A is red blood cell, option B is platelet, option C is white blood cells and D is neurons. Here correct option is option C white blood cells. Question number 31 is which organelle is responsible for protein synthesis? Option A is mitochondria, option B is ribosome, option C is chloroplast and D is nucleus. Here correct option is option B ribosome. Question number 32 is which vitamin is essential for blood clotting? Option A is vitamin A, option B is vitamin C, option C is vitamin D and option D is vitamin K. Here correct option is option D vitamin K. Question number 33 is, what is the largest organ in the human body? Option A is heart, option B is skin, C liver and D brain. Here correct option is option B skin. Question number 34 is, where does digestion of protein begin in the human body? Option A is mouth, B is stomach, C is small intestine and D is large intestine. Here correct option is option B stomach. Question number 35 is, which mineral is important for strong bones and teeth? Option A is iron, option B is calcium, C potassium and D magnesium. Here correct option is option B calcium. Question number 36 is, the main function of red blood cell is to. Here option A is fight infection, B carry oxygen, C clot blood and D produce enzyme. Here correct option is option B carry oxygen. Question number 37 is, which hormone regulates blood sugar level? Option A is insulin, B is adrenaline, C thyroxine and D estrogen. Here correct option is option A insulin. Next question, the primary role of bile is to. Option A is digest protein, B is emulsify fat, C is absorb water and D neutralize stomach acid. Here correct option is option B emulsify fats. Question number 39, which macromolecule is primarily responsible for building muscles? Option A is carbohydrate, option B is protein, C is lipid and D vitamin. Here correct option is option B protein. Question number 40, what is the normal body temperature in Celsius? Option A is 36 degrees centigrade, B is 37 degrees centigrade, C 38 degrees centigrade and D 39 degrees centigrade. Here correct option is option B 37 degrees centigrade. Question number 41, the voice box in human is also known as the. Option A is larynx, B is pharynx, C is epiglottis and D trachea. Here correct option is option A larynx. Question number 42, which of these a primary functions of carbohydrate? Option A is energy storage, B muscle building, C is enzyme activity and D is bone strengthening. Here correct option is option A energy storage. Question number 43 is, which of the following is not a function of the liver? A producing bile, B storage glycogen, C is filtering blood and D secreting insulin. Here correct option is option D secreting insulin. Question number 44 is, hemoglobin is a protein found in. Option A is white blood cell, option B is red blood cell, option C is platelet and option D is plasma. Here correct option is option B red blood cell. Question number 45 is, what is the function of DNA? Option A is energy production, option B is code of genetic information, option C is protein digestion and option D is blood filtration. Here correct option is option B code for genetic information. Question number 46 is, which part of the human body produces bile? Here correct option is option C liver. Question number 47 is, which organ is responsible for removing waste from the blood? Here option A is heart, option B is liver, option C is lungs and D kidney. Here correct option is option D kidney. Question number 48 is, which organ is responsible for producing digestive enzyme? Option A is stomach, option B is pancreas, option C is liver অ্যান্ড অপশন ডি ইজ স্মল ইন্টেস্টাইন। এই কোশ্চেনটির অ্যান্সার আপনারা কমেন্ট বক্সে করুন। সবাই কিন্তু কমেন্ট করবে অ্যান্ড সবাই একটু লাইক করে দেবে ভিডিওটা, যাতে আমি পরবর্তীকালে আরও ভালো ভালো কোশ্চেন নিয়ে আসতে পারি আপনাদের জন্য। অবশ্যই একটা লাইক করে যাবেন। আপনাদের ভিউজ অনেক থাকে কিন্তু লাইক থাকে না। লাইকটি দেখলে আমার মোটিভেশন হয় আর আমি আরও ভিডিও বানানোর চেষ্টা করি। লাইক না দেখলে আমাকে একদম ভালো লাগে না ভিডিও বানানোর। তো আপনারা অবশ্যই একটা লাইক অবশ্যই করে যাবেন। নেক্সট কোয়েশ্চেন ইজ, which organ filters lymph in the body? Option A is liver, option B is lymph node, option C is kidney, and option D is heart. Here correct option is option B, lymph nodes.